Previously, we learned about network programming with Python. Now let's learn to implement a server and a client. Let's begin. Import socket. Create a socket and call it my server. We have the host and the port is 9999. The bind function binds the socket to a local address. Here, since it's an IP socket, it binds it to the address, which is a host port pair. Listen asks for permission, then listens for connections. And while true, it waits for an incoming connection, displays the address connected to, sends the data string to the socket, and then closes the socket. Now let's build a client. S is a socket and the port is 9999. We connect this socket to this remote address, which is a host port pair, and make it receive up to 1024 bytes. Then we close the socket and decode the message and print it out.